portable Bluetooth speaker JBL Go 3. How user friendly it is and whether it is good or not, you'll find out in 3 minutes. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don of ahmeddon.com. Today I'll have another episode of product review video and I'll be presenting the JBL Go 3, which I have it right here. If this is your first time or repeat visit, thank you for your support. On this hybrid channel, I'm always trying new and different ideas to take you beyond boundaries. If you're into thinking outside the box, this is the channel for you. If you're looking for more product videos, there'll be links in the description box below. So I've been trying to buy JBL Go 3 for a while and I was just waiting for a sale because I didn't want to pay the full price. So it was usually it goes for $70 Canadian, and then when I saw it for $40 Boxing Day sale, a Black Friday sale, then I just grab it right away. So it came in this box and this is the box looks like. So let's take a look at some of the specs which they mentioned in the box. So this is 5 hours of playtime and it is IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating. So what it means that you can take a shower or swimming pool with you, and you can even submerge in water, fresh water, for up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, and then it should still be fine. And in terms of dustproof, that part actually always puzzles me. I'm not because I'm not sure what type of dustproof is it, and I always wonder what happens if you actually bury this in the sand and whether this is still going to work or not. So that's kind of like I wonder about, but I never tried doing that. So they provided a manual and some brochures, and then they gave USB-C cable, which is right here. So JBL Go 3, I believe it looks better than JBL Go 2 looks better than JBL Go 3, but the reason I didn't go with JBL Go 2 because it's a micro USB and JBL Go 3 is USB-C. Other than that, I would buy JBL Go 2 because that looks cuter and I think lighter than JBL 3. So this one actually doesn't look bad at all, but it looks slightly bulkier than JBL Go 2. So you can see that it has a rubberized grip right here to kind of put it stable, and then here these are rubberized also, and here. And in terms of buttons and stuff, it's fairly simple. So here on top you have plus, you have minus, and you have the play button. So plus and minus, it could make your volume go higher or lower, and plus should be, and the middle one should be to play or pause. And then here you have the power button, and here you have the Bluetooth button. But what happened, I never had to use actually the Bluetooth button. When even I was pairing with my Bluetooth, I didn't press this. I just pressed the power button and it just blinking, and I was able to pair it. So I think you should be able to Bluetooth pair with your Bluetooth devices without this button. And then here we have the hook, and then we have the USB-C slot, and basically that's all it is. So I'm just going to quickly start it and pair it with my phone, and I'll just play music to show you how is the sound quality. So I'm just going to turn this on by pressing here. So you can see that it makes a noise when you turn it on, and you're going to see the flashing light right here. So what that means is that it's trying to pair with your phone or with your tablet. So I'm just going to turn on my phone, and I'll turn on my Bluetooth on my phone, which is going to be right now. Okay, so you heard the noise. That means that it's paired right now. So I'm just going to play music and see how it sounds. Okay, I'll just lower a little bit. Okay, so you can see that it sounds pretty good, and comparing its size, the volume is like really nice, and I can feel the the beat, the bass, and basically everything. It doesn't feel or sound cheap at all. So what I'll do, I'll try to increase the volume and see what happens. Okay, so I paused it. So the volume you're listening, this is just 50% of the volume. So I believe if I do 100%, it's going to be too loud. So you can see that although this is very small, but the volume and the sound quality and everything is good. The only thing is that this is mono, not a stereo, but it's supposed to be because it's just a one piece. And another thing I'd like to mention that you cannot take or make phone calls via this because this doesn't have any mic or anything. So if you're looking to use it for phone calls, then this is not the device. But I believe the JBL Go 2 make or take phone calls, but not JBL Go 3. So overall, I'm actually happy with the product. This is very, if you can buy it on sale, this provides you value and quality. And I believe $40 is a very good price for a device like that. Definitely, I'm happy, and I cannot find anything to complain about. I haven't tested it in the water, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. If you take it to shower or just put it in the water, it should be fine. But except that, everything is good, and I'm happy with the product. And this is not a paid or affiliated review. There are no affiliated links, no nothing. So that way you get unbiased and honest opinion. So for the next video, I'll put a link on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.